Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu and you are watching Speak and Thrive. So this is day 4 of 7 days English speaking challenge from B1 to C1. And this video is going to be super duper interesting. So I would request you please watch the video till the very end and just get something amazing out of this video. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button on this video. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so today let's begin. I have something very interesting to share with you in this video in 4th episode of 7 days English speaking challenge. Well, this concept is called lexical gap. Lexical gap. Now, what do you understand by lexical gap? Let me explain. Lexical gap happens when you know the idea but you do not know the exact, accurate and appropriate word to explain your ideas, your opinion. You know the idea very well. When you are in a conversation, when you are in a group discussion, you know the idea what to say, but you do not know how to say it in exact words so that everyone can understand it. For example, let me explain or let me just make you understand with the help of example. So, if you say a decision causes harm, for example, a decision causes harm, you can say without lexical gap, a decision is detrimental. A decision is detrimental. Detrimental means something that causes harms. So directly you can say a detrimental decision. It's really easy to understand that something that is gonna cause harm. So instead of saying a decision is going to cause harm, you can say this is a detrimental decision. A poor communication is a detrimental to teamwork. So it is something that is gonna cause harms later to something detrimental. Got it? And other example can be constant criticism is detrimental to confidence. Constant criticism is detrimental to confidence. Like when someone is constantly criticizing you, it can lead you to some more harms or some more issues. It is detrimental. Now let me tell you some more amazing words. So there is a word precise, to say exact, accurate, right? So we need precise data, not assumption. Example can be we need precise data, not assumption. Another example can be her wording is precise and effective. Now let me tell you another word, that is evade. Evade. Evade means deliberately avoid your responsibilities. Evade. So let me create some examples. She evaded questions. She evaded questions. He evaded his responsibility. Now deliberately he is or she is doing that. She evaded questions and he evaded his responsibility. Next example can be companies cannot evade taxes legally. Company cannot evade taxes legally. So you can use these amazing words to remove that lexical gap, because when you are speaking and you are making this gap, then you do not sound very fluent. So this was lexical gap. I hope you understand this concept and you got something amazing out of this video. If you found this video helpful, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for amazing videos and for the next part of this 7 days challenge. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next video.